Hi everyone, it's Kevin here, and I need to make a little bit of an announcement, and that is that by the end of March this year, I will no longer have this workshop. I am downsizing back to my old workshop, where I will be finishing all my current clients' projects and hopefully get my own one done as well. Now, this is a decision which I have not taken lightly. I've pondered over this for many months and debated things so many times. It's really not been entertaining, but realistically, the pandemic has essentially finished us off. We've not been able to get the parts in time quick enough, and we've had constant overheads to cover, and no additional work coming in because we're in various lockdowns. I can't run the risk of visitors coming in and possibly transmitting COVID, and everything has just basically come to a point now where I've had to make a decision, and my decision is, unfortunately, or sadly I should say, to wrap up KGC Engineering. Now, as I said, I'm going to downsize and get my current clients' projects finished, so the business will still be going on for the next 12 months or so, but I will not be taking on any further projects, large or small, well, at all, because I don't need the additional stress, I don't need the additional work. I just want to get the jobs that I've got done, well, that I have on board at the moment. I want to get those done and out of the way, and then in 12-18 months time, however long it takes, I will see where things go, see where I am, and see what I want to do with the business, because KGC is my first business. It's been part of my life for 10 years now, so it has, obviously is a massive part of my life, and there's been a lot of ups and there's been a good few downs as well. It's been a roller coaster ride, but it's time for me to call it a day and move on. It feels like it's the right time for me to do this, and I just want to finish off by saying thank you for everybody who has supported me over the last 10 years. I really do appreciate it so much, and it's a case of now it's onwards and upwards to get the jobs done for my clients as quick as we can, providing the parts arrive. It's one of those things. So yeah, I mean, obviously I'm going to continue doing my YouTube videos, keep them going, to keep a bit of interest going on there, so that I'm not completely disappearing off the face of the earth, but things are not going to be as prominent anymore. So thanks very much, and I will see you all hopefully very soon. So you guys take care.